First of all, I wanted to just let you know that this video is made for just educational purposes only. Okay, so you're new on channel, subscribe this channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. You just need to make a new blockchain wallet. It's a new blockchain wallet. It has empty balance. Okay, and you just need to go to inspect. Okay, wait for a few seconds to open it, then go to cancel. As you can see, there's the warning: if you put something here, your money will be lost. Okay, so be aware from that. Make sure you are on new Windows and you have not and money in your wallet. So yeah, that's my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. Okay, I just clear everything from here and just put the script. Here's my script. I will just right click, select all, and once again I will right click and copy my script and minimize that. Okay, and then paste my script over here. Just press the enter button. As you can see, that's box open here, and I need a unconfirmed hash ID that I have already selected, 0.045 BTC. Okay, it has something for $4,347. Okay, I'm gonna paste this here and click OK. Then as you can see, what's that? I can't read that. Okay, then again OK, once again OK. All done. You just need to click refresh the balance and then see the magic. As you can see now, our balance received successfully in the wallet. Let me show you today's date. It's Monday, 17th of November 2025. Okay, and yeah, and that's the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see, maybe it will confirm right now during the video. Yeah, that's not confirmed yet, but it will confirm very soon. So you are new on channel, subscribe this channel for more related videos. Okay, take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.